Freddie Davis here, president of Market Faith Ministries, coming to you once again from the library. Market Faith Ministries provides radical disciple training to help believers become more knowledgeable of and confident in their Christian faith. We are a lay seminary in a can. Today we're looking at the question, what is deceptive about naturalism? Well, what is deceptive about naturalism is really the same thing that's deceptive about every non-biblical worldview belief. A worldview is nothing more than a way of understanding reality. And any non-biblical belief actually takes what is unreal and views it as something real. Recently, I had the opportunity to have a conversation with a naturalist, and this person truly believes that his belief is based on science. The great deception of naturalism is that naturalists equate their naturalistic beliefs with science. It simply is not. Naturalism is a belief system. There's nothing in naturalism which rises to the level of science. The belief that there is no supernatural does not represent reality. Only worship of God gets us there. If you're interested in the topic of worldview and would like more information about worldview and its practical implications for life, I would invite you to check out the Market Faith Ministries website at www.marketfaith.org.